How to get more likes on TikTok, the ultimate guide. Things to be aware of. Your video's initial 2 to 3 seconds have the greatest chance of drawing viewers in, so make the most of them. In order for the proper people to locate your material, include pertinent and popular keywords to your video descriptions and TikTok profile. Use well-known hashtags and sounds in each of your videos that are still pertinent. 1. Create your persona or identity. Finding your specialization will help you be original, but following popular trends will help you reach new audiences. Viewers should have a clear understanding of the type of content you produce so they know what to expect if they follow you. Whether your account concentrates on a certain skill, video style, or area of humor. 2. Make your videos' first 2 to 3 seconds count. With captivating content, try to pique viewers' interest right away. A research study found that users of social media have shorter attention spans over time. This indicates that if you want to hold people's attention, you must do so rapidly. If you don't grab their attention right away, they can swipe past your movie before finishing it. 3. Join trends early, but don't just do what everyone else is doing. Being a part of a trending moment is the secret to standing out on TikTok. Keep up with the latest hashtags, noises, challenges, and effects so you can incorporate them into your videos. 4. Use appropriate hashtags. Always use pertinent hashtags, especially if they are popular right now. Users of TikTok frequently look for videos on particular subjects. Make sure your hashtags contain the terms people are searching for to ensure that your target audience can find your excellent videos. 5. Utilize the well-liked TikTok effects. Your films can be elevated significantly by adding original transitions, text, voiceovers, stickers, and other effects. You can experiment with innovative effects that give your content dimension or use well-known effects from other people's videos. 6. Include well-known sounds and music in your videos. More users will watch your videos if they have catchy soundtracks. Don't be afraid to use a certain sound in your own video if you see it receiving a lot of attention on the For You page. You can tap plus to find popular sounds. We wish you good luck and tons of fun. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching and your support. Have a wonderful day.